at the homie. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I did any videos. I had a couple of weeks there in January. I had the coronavirus. Didn't feel too good. Kind of lost a little bit of momentum with the videos. So it's the big game Sunday right now. Feeling a little bit better. Got a little bit of energy back. So I got 3 slabs of ribs right here. I got from Sam's Club. And I'm going to use this Suckle Busters rub right here. Some hog waller. Got 3 slabs of baby backs. I'm just gonna do the usual, rip off the membrane, do a little bit of AP seasoning, just salt, pepper, and throw that rub on it, and then I'm gonna throw them in the pit barrel. And I'm also doing some wings for the game also. And I got this lemon pepper wing dust from Cosmos Q, as well as the buffalo from Cosmos Q. So I'm gonna throw those on the wings, see how they turn out. I've never used those before. I've seen other channels use them and it looks pretty good. So check it out guys, here we go. Super Bowl time. Check it out. Just gonna get these dried off pretty good. Now I'm actually gonna leave that fat on there. You can see that just because baby backs are so lean. I want a little bit of fat on there for the flavor. I'm just gonna leave it. And all I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna show you guys really, but I'm just gonna go around and cut off any loose edges just like usual. Anything you think is gonna burn up, just cut it off. Like this at the end right here, it looks pretty bad, so I'm gonna cut that off. So I got this little gadget right here. It's catfish pliers, basically is what it is. I'm just gonna use this because I saw it online, someone using this to take off membranes. And I'll put a link down below if you wanna check one of these out. These are not necessary at all. You could use a paper towel, you could leave the membranes on, or you could score them with a knife, it doesn't even matter, but. It just makes it super easy. Alright, so honestly those catfish pliers are kind of a waste of money, but I just wanted to try them out. But like I said, I'll leave the link down below if you want to check it out, so whatever you want to do. I never usually use a binder. I'm going to use some mustard on this just to do it. Why not? A lot of people like the mustard on there. Doesn't add any flavor, just for something to be a little tacky, to have the stick on there. You don't even need that much, so. All I'm gonna do is let these hang out, let the salt kind of get into the meat a little bit, let it sweat out, and I'm gonna get that fire going in the pit barrel and get things going. Got some pecan wood chips I'm gonna throw in there, or wood chunks. Alright, I got the damper about right there. I don't know if you can see it because of the light, but I'm gonna check on these in about an hour and a half. See how they're looking. But I'll wear this shirt. Woo! Tampa Bay.
Jasmine baking powder, just like try to skin out a little
Really?
bit more. Just a little bit of pine juice.
Well, I'm slacking all over.
350 degree oil, chicken in here, cook them till they're done. Dude,
Oh shit.
do you pay
A little
yourself
icy.
to the company? Do you pay yourself to the company?
No seasoning on these. I'm gonna throw that wing dust on here.
And I go to this clinic and they give me a prescription for that.
So these been on just over an hour, about an hour and 15 minutes. That's how we're looking. Got some good color on there. Check on these in about 45 minutes. I'm not even gonna spritz them. It's fine.
Everywhere. I just exploded.
I know.
Smells good. Tastes good. Needs a little more salt, but if you got ranch or blue cheese, it'll be good.
If the Chiefs win the coin toss, will they receive it or no, receive it or kick it? Yeah, whatever. And it was plus 800 for them to receive it. Oh, they just deferred it. I know.
A little butter.
Yeah, meet everyone. Freaking nice one. I tell you, Steve was like best ever. Cool to be able to see these. Tiger Woods was in our lifetime.
There we go. Got buffalo. Got lemon pepper. Alright guys, there you go. 3 hours and 45 minutes later on the pit barrel. There you go, guys. Alright guys, the ribs are super good. Happy Super Bowl. There it is right there. Drink some beers. Have a good night. Peace out. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I like ribs.
Oh, here we go. A crispy.